Hello and welcome to the first episode of our technical analysis course in the channel G-Trade A. In this episode, I will introduce you the features of our course so that you can determine if the course is built for you or not. The first and foremost feature of our course is that this is a completely from zero to hero course. We will start from the most basic concepts of technical analysis, and then the most advanced techniques of technical analysis will be taught to you. So this course covers everything you need to build your own profiting strategy. We will include very basic concepts of financial markets. For those of you who are not familiar with financial markets at all, these concepts are necessary to learn. But for those of you who are familiar with financial markets a bit, you can skip this episode and go to the episode that you really need to make it easy. We have segregated the topics into different episodes and timestamps, so you will be able to find whatever you need easily, and when you are reviewing the course, you can find the topic that you really need to review. We will also include the psychological concepts related to technical analysis, and we will cover the rational base of patterns and methods. So whenever you see a pattern in the market, you will be able to compare it with the realities of the market to see if this is a trap that you should avoid or if this is a real pattern that you can trade based on it. We will also give you some tips to make you a real trader, tips related to risk management, position management, and common mistakes that usually traders make in the market that you should avoid. And finally, about me, my name is Emir Sadiri. Currently, I'm a PhD student at Akdeniz University of Antalya in the field of business administration with a specialization in finance. Okay, that's enough for this episode. I hope this course will be a useful one for you. If you want to follow this course, please subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you soon.